There is a, I don't know what that is. That is a, kind of freaking me out. I don't know what they're gonna do with that. Here we go. Pile of dirt, pile of sand for concrete for something. I don't know what. More piles of dirt covered up. Looks like we got the AT&T guys out here burying the cable, which is a good thing. I got all kinds of workmen here. Pile of dirt, big hole, cement piers. Hi guys. More holes. They probably don't like me out here doing this, but tough toenails. See, that goes way down under there. Guess I should have moved the barbecue grill out of the way. There's somebody down in that hole right there. And there's one up there. More holes. Oh man, they tore up my patio. There's a really foul odor of sawing something in half here. Big piles of dirt. I can't believe this. Look at this. Look at my backyard. It's a mess. More holes. And then there's one more on the other side of the fence there. Let's get a closer look. Now, this is the worst side of the house, is down on this side. Let's see how deep that goes. Oh. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. That's enough for today, folks.